Starting a blog in 2023 can be a great way to share your thoughts, ideas, and expertise with the world. Here are some steps you can follow to get started. Choose a niche. Decide what your blog will be about. It's best to choose a topic you're passionate about and knowledgeable in. Pick a platform. There are many blogging platforms available, such as WordPress, Blogger, and Medium. Choose one that suits your needs and skills. Choose a domain name. Your domain name is the web address for your blog. Choose a name that's memorable, easy to spell, and relevant to your niche. Set up hosting. Hosting is what makes your blog accessible on the internet. Choose a reliable hosting provider that fits your budget. Customize your blog. Choose a theme and customize your blog's design to make it look unique and professional. Create content. Start writing blog posts on topics that are interesting to your target audience. Make sure your content is well researched, informative, and engaging. Promote your blog. Share your blog on social media, guest post on other blogs, and use search engine optimization (SEO) techniques to attract readers. Remember, starting a successful blog takes time and effort.